Joker 2 is heading our way in October 2024, and the highly anticipated sequel, officially titled Joker Folly Addicts, has completed filming ahead of its release. The Joker sequel will see Joaquin Phoenix reprise his role as Arthur Fleck, who, after the event of the first movie, might will just be Joker now. He will have some at least company too, as Lady Gaga is making her DC debut as Harley Quinn. We have already had an official first look at her in acting, action, as well as set photo of her in the full Harley Quinn getup and other exciting clips from the set. So hopefully the sequel will arrive as we expect in October 2024. As we wait for the sequel to arrive in cinema, here's everything you need to know about Joker 2, aka Joker Folia Dux. Warner Bros. Has confirmed that Joker Folie X will be released in cinema on October 4, 2024. Assuming there are no delays, of course. The sequel started filming in December 2022, with Phillips marking the occasion by revealing the first look at Phoenix back in character, and it wrapped in April 2023, with Phillips sharing another look at Lady Gaga in the movie. Thanks to these two, plus the entire cost and the best crave that the film industry has no offer, from top the bottom, gonna crawl into a cab now, edit room, and put in all together, he wrote. Since then, Hollywood has come to a still with the ongoing writers and actor strike. Will Joker 2 has finished filming, it's possible that its release date could shift as studios have started to shuffle their upcoming schedule.